Making mistakes is absolutely normal because this is how we learn, this is how we grow. Mistakes are the part of the progress. If you are not making mistakes, you are not growing, you are not learning anything. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that mistakes are not setbacks. So let's get into the video. Okay, so firstly and very basic, every successful person that you admire the most, do you think that they achieve their dreams without making any mistake? Do you think that for real? If not, and that is the person that you admire, then how can you think that if I made any mistake, then I'm gonna lose? How can you think that? Like, you are admiring a person, you know about that person made so many mistakes, and they learn from their mistakes, and this is how they achieve their dreams. So how you can be so harsh to yourself and you think that whatever I'm doing, I should be so much perfect in this and I cannot make any mistake? How can you do this to yourself? Like, how can you become so much arrogant for yourself? Don't you think you should be a little kind to yourself and be like, it's okay if I made mistake, I will learn from it and I will move forward and do something better? Don't you think you should give yourself some kindness? No human being is perfect, and whatever they are doing is also not perfect. So why you are forcing yourself to be the perfect? Why you are forcing yourself to do something perfect? It is okay. It is absolutely okay. Every human being is different, and whatever they are doing is different. So if someone else is doing something and they mistakes in whatever they are doing, and you are doing something else, and you can also make mistakes. If you didn't make mistake, then that is absolutely abnormal. Like, for real abnormal. That means you are not learning anything. That means you are not growing. If you are not making mistakes and not learning from that mistakes, there is no growth inside you. There is no, if you didn't see any setback, then how you gonna motivate yourself? How you going to tell yourself, no matter what, nothing can stop me, no setback can stop me? If it didn't happen, that is absolutely okay. I will come the next day and give it a shot again in a very much better way. It is okay. Mistakes are absolutely normal, and if people are telling you that you can't make a mistake, these people are doing nothing in their life. All they are doing is making mistake and not learning from their mistakes. So you should never listen to them. Never. It is okay if you did something wrong in your past life, if you choose a wrong path, that is okay. At least you learn something from that. At least you learned so much from your past life. Your past life made you a better person, and that is absolutely okay, because your past life was a lesson, and the wrong path that you chose was also a lesson, and they taught you how to become a good person, a better person, and how to grow, how to become a kind, generous, and a good human being. So if something bad happened and you made a mistake, that is not a setback, that is blessing. The nature, the universe, the God is teaching you a lesson, and you should learn your lesson rather than make yourself a victim. And mistakes will stop you from doing what you love to do and from achieving your dreams. If you want them, if you want your mistakes to stop you, they will stop you. And if you won't let them, you won't stop. You will learn and you will grow. That is absolutely up to you, how you are going to handle that situation, how you going to handle that negative situation. If you want to learn your lesson, that is up to you. If you want to act like a victim and be a poor person, you can also do that. That is absolutely up to you. If you didn't make any mistake, okay, let's suppose that you are not making any mistake in whatever you are doing, do you think that someone else will come to you and applause for you and giving you rewards? Wow, you didn't made any mistake and you are something supernatural, superpower. Do you think someone is going to do that for you? Do you think that? People will only say bad things about you no matter what you do, no matter how you do, no matter what is your pattern, no matter how you made your things, no matter how correct you are, no matter how incorrect you are, no matter how perfect you are, no matter how imperfect you are. People are always going to say bad about you. Always bad about you. So if you think that I have to be the perfect, I have to be the correct person all the time so that people will applaud for me, no, this is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. No one is gonna recognize you at all. At all. So it is okay if you are making mistakes, because they are gonna say anyway. If you are making mistake or not making mistake, they are going to say bad about you anyway. So you better do what you love to do. And if you are making mistakes, that is absolutely okay. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. You do whatever you want to do. And do not care about what people will say and people will judge you, because they are going to judge you anyway. No matter how good you are, no matter how bad you are, they are going to judge you anyway, literally anyway. So do not care about people and do not care about people's validation. You do what you love to do. If you are making mistakes, learn from your mistakes and move forward. That is it. Do not care about what other people will say about you. They are going to judge you. Do not care about that. If you care about other people's validation, you won't be able to do anything in your life. Literally. So you do whatever you want to do. Either you are so good in it or so bad in it. That is absolutely okay. Everything is a part of learning. And this is what you always need to do. Learning. And that's it. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you. Bye. Bye.